Welcome to the Safety Sign app demo for new users. This tutorial provides guidance for any new users using the app for the first time. In this demo, we will show users how to set up the app ready to input forms. Once the app is downloaded and an account has been set up, you will need to subscribe to gain access to the projects page to allow forms to be submitted into the library. Here you can add a new project using the input text box, and then add the text in by pressing the plus symbol. In the tutorial I have used Demo 1. Users can input up to 5 projects. On this example we will pick a pre-start communication. You can see I can then select the project from the drop-down menu, write the location and click the box to select the date. Information can then be added by using the text box next to the plus symbol. This can be seen in the example for safety shares and operational changes. Planned work can then be inputted for the day shown. In the demonstration on this example, we have chosen excavate. We have permits to work available, and our document number is 12345. Many of the questions are then a yes or no or a non-applicable, allowing the user to complete the forms in a matter of seconds. 90% of the form is a tick box. In this example we require to add an environmental management plan. This can be added in the section shown as Others. All the input boxes must be filled to allow the form to be submitted into the library. The team attendance sign-off box will then just be used for adding site members' names and signatures. Again, these will be inputted in the text boxes as shown, and then use the plus symbol to add. Members can be deleted by holding down and pressing delete. Users must note that when the signature has been added, it will state signed in the box. Users will not be able to see the input signature until the form has been downloaded into PDF. Simply just press the submit button when complete. A notification will be present stating the form has been successfully added and will appear on the recent activity in the home page. The user can then change the status of the form by clicking on it in the library. Other options include edit the form, download the form into PDF, or delete the form. Here I can make edits on the form, then go back to submit to save the changes. The user can easily download these into PDF, then send to other people in an email within a matter of seconds. This is what the document looks like in PDF. Safety Sign developers can make edits to the documents, if you have any special requests. Thank you for watching the demo. Please contact our Safety Sign team if you have any questions.